सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 311, verse 206. काव्यनाटकतर्कादिम् अभ्यस्यति निरन्तरम् विजिगीषुर्यथा तद्वत् मुमुक्षुस्वं विचारयेत्. Vidyaranya Swami, analyzing the Brihadaranyaka mantra, Atmanam chet vijaniyat ayam asmiti purushaha kimichan kasya kamaya shariram anusanvaret. Having quoted that mantra in the first beginning of this chapter, Acharya analyzing the word kasya kamaya from that mantra. Kimichan expression negates the bhogya prapancha. Kimichan word occurring in the mantra is negating the bhogya prapancha. Kasya kamaya expression in the mantra, Brihadaranyaka mantra, negating the bhokta. Bhoktra prapancha or bhokta, it is negating. The method of teaching here is Yajnavalkya addressing Maitreyi. Are Maitreyi, Atmava are drashtavyaha, shrotavyaha, mantavyaha, nididhyasitavyaha. One has to inquire into Atman nature. Drashtavyaha means to be inquired, to be analyzed. Once you want to inquire into Atman, you have to drop the attachment of this bhogya prapancha. The entire bhogya prapancha, what you are experiencing, the pleasures from any object in this universe, you have to develop a vairagyam towards them. So bhogya prapancha attachment you have to drop and you turn your attention towards bhokta. Bhogya to bhokta. The one who is the enjoyer. Instead of inquiring, looking into the bhogya vastus all the time, instead of developing attachment towards them, fleeting, floating, ephemeral, limited, these objects, drop your attachment, develop your attachment towards bhokta. So first level of teaching, bhogya to bhokta. In Tattvabodha also, vairagyam mumukshutvam sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, when we are talking, the sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha, qualified Vedantic seeker is one. The one who has got tremendous dispassion, vairagyam. Vairagyam or dispassion towards anatma vastus, towards mithya vastus. One has to develop vairagyam. I give up attachment towards them. I give up attachment and I have to detach from them. Once I have to detach from them, then what I have to do? I detach my attachment with all objects. Then what I have to do? Shastra says immediately in Tattva Bodha, Mumukshutvam. May you have attachment for moksha. Detach from anatma, body, mind, complex, this entire world. Detach to attach. Detach to attach. Nanna word. Detach to attach means I have to detach from anatma to attach with atma. I have to attach with atma. For that I have to attach to moksha, liberation. Moksha ichha. Moksha ichha also is an attachment only. Is it not attachment? Attachment only. Class coming is also an attachment only. Even though people are scolding in the family, every day morning 10 o'clock you leave the house and go to the class, who will take care of the house? You are so attached to the class. Shastra says, better to have that attachment. Give up those attachments with anatma, bhogya prapancha. To know your real nature, may you have attachment with bhokta. Bhokta. Then later, once you come to attach yourself, who am I, you want to know this bhokta, then Shastra says there are two factors in that bhokta. Adhara chaitanyam, sakshi chaitanyam, witness consciousness. Abhasa chaitanyam, mind plus consciousness, ahankara. Abhasa, false chaitanyam, fake chaitanyam. Chidabhasa is there in that I. You have to detach from that ahankara I, bhokta, and attach it to sakshi I, adhara chaitanyam. So, Shastra says not to leave the bhokta in the beginning itself. Not to leave the bhokta in the beginning itself. For example, if you want to eat groundnuts, they are all in the shell, first outer shell. Outer shell, before you are eating the inner nut, you have to drop the outer shell. First itself you drop, the seeds will be spoiled. So the seeds, either you have to boil or you have to fry, then before eating you have to remove the shell. Similarly, when you are consuming the capsule medicine, the capsule cover, outside cover is very important. Before you are consuming the capsule, the cover of the capsule you can remove. Like that, this bhokta ahankara kavacham you carry until you claim you are sakshi chaitanyam, witness consciousness. We can keep bhokta number 1, bhokta number 2. Bhokta number 1 and 2 put together, there are no two really. Just for our understanding sake, I am presenting Chit and Chidabhasa. Chit and Chidabhasa are consciousness plus reflected consciousness. Chit means OC, original consciousness, Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam, and RC, reflected consciousness. RC means reflected consciousness. Abhasa Chaitanyam put together I am, Bhokta. Now once we detached from Bhogya Prapancha, we come to Bhokta. I am analyzing Bhokta now. I am enjoying. For whose sake I am enjoying? Either Abhasa Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam. Because in Bhokta there are two components. Which component sake I am enjoying? One component is unreal. It doesn't exist. What is that? Abhasa Chaitanyam or Adhara Chaitanyam? Abhasa Chaitanyam or Chidabhasa or Ahankara is Mithya. It doesn't exist really. It is only a fake appearance. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am the true Bhokta, as though Bhokta. Because without ahankara, I cannot be the bhokta. Pure consciousness, I can never enjoy anything. Therefore, I am not bhokta. Pure Chidabhasa doesn't exist to enjoy. Then who is the enjoyer? It is an aberration. It is only a misnomer. Bhokta is a Brahman. In the beginning itself we say Bhokta is Brahman. Deepavali sweets ella saapidumbodu Bhokta Brahman sonna, who will agree? I am enjoying Deepavali sweets, so many sweets, and I am enjoying the 2000 rupees note. Is this enjoyer is false enjoyer? We cannot answer for worldly people, those who are not exposed to Shastra. They think that enjoyer is real. Once you come to Shastra only after studying Tattva Bodha, Vairagyam sufficiently you acquire. If you are a Tevra Mumukshu, you are trying to understand, inquiring who is real Bhokta. Is the enjoyer is real? If the enjoyer is real, I am the enjoyer. Who am I? In this I there are two, Chit and Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is enjoying or Chit is enjoying. Mixture is enjoying. Mixture is enjoying means that also you analyze. Mixture in the Chidabhasa doesn't exist. Chit cannot enjoy. Mixture is real or unreal? Mixture is also unreal. Once you remove the fake one, where is the mixture? Fake one you want to count. Now 500 rupees note and 1000 rupee note you have many at home. Suppose I am telling you don't have. Suppose. And you have got 2000 rupees notes also now. Can you count this 2000 rupees note along with that 500 note and 1000 rupee note also you count? Can you count? Are you dare to count? If you count, they will arrest you. Because it is useless. It is useless. Similarly, here, now fake notes are useful for fake Chidabhasa. Understand? Don't extend the example too much. Okay. Now, to understand this original Chit, temporarily we accept the Bhokta mixture. Bhokta mixture, you are talking, Upanishad is talking not to teach about Bhokta. Who is the enjoyer? Upanishad is not interested in teaching about Bhokta. Bhokta introduction or introducing the Bhokta is only to arrive at Sakshi Chaitanyam, witness consciousness. Once you have arrived at witness consciousness, having eaten that groundnut, uppu potti, ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியா இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் போய் அந்த தோல் இருக்கு மேல் இருக்கு, அதை பத்தி பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பேல. Who want that shell, outer shell? Another, this pista also, it has got a outer shell, so thick shell, and you eat along with that. You cannot eat, you cannot keep in your mouth also. You have to open it, throw the shell and eat that seed. Like that, until you eat that seed, you keep the shell, afterwards you throw the shell. Because there is no tatparyam in that. Similarly, in Bhokta Chidabhasa also there is no tatparyam. Because it doesn't exist, it is unreal. Then what? You detach with the Chidabhasa Bhokta part and attach with Sakshi Chaitanyam part. Attach to Bhokta Chidabhasa part to detach until you claim or you attach with Sakshi Chaitanyam. And the injinukku bogikku connection கொடுத்துற மாதிரி attach and detach. Attach the engine, after reaching the central station, what they do? Detach. அதே மாதிரி இந்த Bhokta attachment, for what? To detach from the Bhogya, Prapancha, Anatma. then this bhokta is also detached to attach with Sakshi Chaitanyam. Who is that attaching? Buddhi. Which buddhi has got attachment with the world? Drop that attachment with the world, detach from that world and attach to the bhokta, the enjoyer. Then that attachment also detach to Sakshi Chaitanyam attachment. Sakshi Chaitanyam, who is that Sakshi Chaitanyam to attach? I have to attach with that, really speaking. I need not attach to Sakshi Chaitanyam. Why? I am the Sakshi Chaitanyam. Therefore I need not attach. What to do for that? You have to be committed, dedicated to develop Trivra Vairagyam towards Ahankara. Ahankaram Patru Vidu. Ahankara Kadr Mamakara Patru Vidu. Just as people have lot of commitment towards other practices, Kavya, Nataka, 4 examples he is giving. Just as the people have lot of commitment, dedication to practice in those fields. Pamara Jana, Laukika Jana, Vaidika Jana and Yogis. 4 types of people he is giving examples. Just as those people committed to their practice. Pamara Jana means gross-minded people, unrefined mind people always talk about the worldly pleasures. Which shop what is available they know very well. Which shop what is available. Where is Ananda Bhavan, where is Krishna Sweets, where is Sri Mithai. Address கேட்டுக்கோங்க கரெக்டா சொல்லுவான். டோர் நம்பரோட சரி கரெக்டா. என்ன சாப்பாடு ராமன், always interested in eating and furniture, so many things. Pandi Bazaar, Ranganath Street, Usman Road, always they are there only. என்ன வாங்கிண்டே இருப்பான். Pamara Janaha working for materialistic mundane pleasures, they are called Pamara Janaha. They are very much committed to that, dedicated to that knowledge of knowing பேங்க்ல எந்த பேங்க்ல ஏடிஎம் ஒர்க்கிங் கரெக்டா தெரியும் அவங்களுக்கு. நமக்கு தெரியாது எங்க பேங்க் இருக்குன்னே தெரியாது நமக்கு. But they know where is that bank and ATM correctly, and they want to draw money more and more and more than what they need. Who are they? Gross-minded people, materialistic people, only money-oriented, pleasure-oriented people. What about second type of people? Those people little bit refined, interested in literature. They love to go and buy books, always study, little bit refined. Subtle-minded people, refined-minded people, they are interested in kavya, nataka, tarka, in drama, literature, dance drama, music, so many other literature works. They are interested, committed to that, and go on and on and on reading from newspaper also. From the top to bottom, they read with all point. They don't leave it. எவ்வளோ பொறுமை, அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்து படிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான். வீக்லி மேகசைன்ஸ் என்ன வந்து ஒரு புத்த கொடுக்கணும் அவனுக்கு. என்ன படிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான். குமுதத்துல இருந்து துக்ளக்ல இருந்து எல்லா மேகசைன் they will read. ஏன்னா they are interested not eating, they are interested in reading. They are called laukikaha, just a little bit refined, better than previous pamaraha. Pamaraha ரொம்ப பாடி மைண்ட் ஓரியன்டெட் பீப்புள், டூ மச். கொஞ்சம் ரிஃபைன்ட் காவிய நாடக விஜிகீஷு, தே வாண்ட் டு go further and further and read more and more books and writing papers and books and books and books, and they want to get lot of certificates, awards, lot of name and fame. Vijigishu jetum ichu. Similarly, tadha tadvat, just like that, those people, mumukshuhu swam vicharayet. Mumukshuhu, the desirer of moksha. Desirer of moksha, mumukshuhu, vicharayet, committed to that enquiry of Atman. Wherever Atma vichara is going on, he has to go and study there. Wherever he is going on, ella eduthu pokudadu. Go and study systematically from a competent teacher for a length of time. Not everywhere if you go, you will get confusion. Therefore, be committed to this cricket, dance, teaching coaches also. They take the coaching from only one person. They don't take coach from 2 or 3 later when advanced. They want to go, they will go. But initial stages, they will never change. That's why LKG, UKG classes only one teacher, single teacher. And the single teacher, karanam adha. While you are growing, you need a teacher who can put foundation properly. After foundation, little bit you have matured, then you can go and study. That is a different thing. If you want to study advanced more and more, and they can take training from experts from foreign countries also. They call some cricket coach and all like that, experts. After long time, that is. So initial stages you must have some guide and study. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Initial stages, if you change, you are the loser. You cannot understand the methodology, because person to person it differs, the way of teaching, communication. They have their own method. That to traditional teachers you must study, not non-traditional teachers. First you must know who is that guru of that teacher whom you are going, whom you are studying, who is his teacher or her teacher. Are they having teacher? If they don't have teacher, don't go there. That is the suggestion given by our all traditional acharyas. Never go to a teacher who was not a disciple. Never go to a Never go to a teacher who was not a disciple. Who was not a disciple cannot decipher. What? Atma Anatma cannot be deciphered properly. Therefore, tadvatu mumukshuhu swam vicharayet. Swam means atmanam, one's own atma swarupam. One's own atma swarupam, one has to do vichara, enquiry. Vichara means enquiry, not Tamil vicharam. Okay. Tamil vicharam dukkam. Adu nama panninde irukom already. Adukku namakku enquiry thevaye illa. We are expert in that. So, in Sanskrit, vichara means inquiry. One has to do analysis. Next shloka, 207. Another person he is talking. Those people who are doing Vaidika people committed to go to Swarga. They do lot of practice of what Vedic rituals. He is giving the third example. Japaya gopasanadi kurute shraddhaya yatha swargadi vanchaya tadvat Shraddadhyātsve mumukshaya Shraddadhyātsve mumukshaya Tadvat Shraddadhyāt. This Shraddha is a very, very sophisticated verb. Sophisticated and a confusing verb in artham. Okay. Shrat plus dha dhatu. Shrat plus dha dhatu, shraddha bhavati. Shrat plus dha, that shrat becomes shradd. Shradd plus dha, shradd, it becomes double dha. Shraddha, 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 Shraddhati, Shraddhati, Shraddhattaha, Shraddhati. వాయిలో నొళవే మాటంగది లెటర్స్ నో. శ్రద్ధధాతి, శ్రద్ధధాతి, శ్రద్ధత్తః, శ్రద్ధదతి. ఓకే, శ్రద్ధ ధా ధాతు అన్నమాట. శ్రద్ధ ప్లస్ దధాతి, శ్రద్ధధాతి. ఓకే, శ్రద్ధధ్యాత్. One has Mumukshu also must have tremendous faith, commitment, dedication. Like whom? Like this third type of person, Vaidika, who is interested in Swarga adi Vanchaya, for the sake of Swarga. Who is desirous of going to Swarga, what he does every day? I want to go to Swarga after death. Every day what he does, you know, japa, yaga and upasana. Wherever yaga comes, it looks for me as yoga, because I am a yoga teacher. Vasana goes like that. Japa, yaga, upasana. So japa, chanting every day mantra. By chanting mantra, 12 mantras are there, 12 aksharams are there, 12 lakhs. Gayatri mantra, 24 lakhs he has to do. No, as many aksharams, so many lakhs. So this person is committed to do japam, japam, japam. And some people, they put cover also. When they are doing japa, they do like this. They cover the hand and no one should see what you are doing. Idi ukarni japam pannanam. Penna anna, they put a sanchi. Bus stand, railway station, wherever you are going, they go with along with the sanchi. And you should know that person is doing japa in artham. நம்ம காலத்துல பாட்டி பாவம் உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு கார்னர்ல, she used to cover, my பாட்டி used to do like that only. She used to cover அம்மா பாட்டி அப்பா பாட்டி ரெண்டு பேர் அப்படிதான். இப்படி உட்கார்ந்து ஜப்பம் பண்ணுவா. ஃபாதர்ஸ் மதர் யூஸ் டு டூ ஸ்பட்டிகமாலா, அம்மா மதர் யூஸ் டு டூ ருத்ராட்சமாலா. டோன்ட் ஆஸ்க் மீ ஏன் வைஷ்ணவன் செய்வார் ஐவர்னா ரெண்டு. அந்த காலத்துல அதெல்லாம் தெரியுதா? They want to do just like that. Okay, don't probe all those things. So people used to do japa, always interested in japa, committed. How much committed they are? How much committed, you know? So much commitment. Then yaga also. Jyotishtomena Swarga Kamo Yajeta. The one who wants Swarga, they must practice Jyotishtoma yaga. Interested in yaga, committed to yaga, dedicated to yaga, doing that yaga. Upasana, meditation. Lot of upasana, meditation, always doing. Kurute Shraddhaya. They do with Shraddha. Lot of faith. Lot of faith. He, no way for him to inquire, to verify, have you gone to Swarga? Anybody? No way. Only Shastra Pramanam. With Shastra Pramanam, with that Shraddha, he does. Shraddhaya karoti kurute yatha Swargadi vanchaya tadvat. Tadvat. இப்ப நமக்கு சொல்றார், we are neither Pamara, Laukika nor Vaidika. What we are? Mumukshus. Mumukshaya. A person who is desirous of moksha, by him tadvat shraddhadyat swe. Swe means advaita atma vishaye. Shraddhadyat, may he develop shraddha, just like that Vaidika has got shraddha towards Swarga, towards Swarga, interested in Swarga, he is having shraddha in Japa, Yaga, Upasana. Similarly, what you are doing, Panchadashi student? You, the Vedantic student, you yourself claiming that you are a spiritual seeker, you are following spiritual path and telling everyone what you are doing. Who is asking? Vidyaranya asking, what you are doing? Mumukshaya. Shraddhadyat, that mumukshu must have tremendous commitment, faith, dedication. In what? Swe Atmani. Atmani, Advaita Atmani Vishaye, or Advaita Atma Vishaye. In that Atma, with regard to one's own real self, one has to be committed and do homework and artham. Guru cannot do homework for you. You have to study, you have to read the shloka, you have to read your notes, you have to listen again once what you have recorded. And people record and they don't listen. What you have recorded, you have to listen. What CDs you have bought, you have to listen. What is your notes, you have to listen. After coming here, sit and 10 minutes before coming to the class, after going home, do homework. That commitment must be there. That study must be there. Commitment is not there. Even Guru cannot help. Ishvara grace, Guru grace cannot make you perfect. Because practice makes the person perfect. Cricket player is expert. Any person can become expert. How? Because of practice. Here also like that only. Guru gives knowledge, this much teaching over. Then you have to put an effort and do homework. நமக்கு குருவே பண்றார் எல்லாமே. நம்ம மாத்திரம் போய் கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார்றோம். அது புக்கு தேடி தேடி கொண்டு வருவோம் கிளாஸுக்கு. எங்க இருக்குன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது. அப்படிப்பட்ட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு மோட்சம் வரவே வராது. The student must be committed and very, very prompt in preparing the notes, in reading, in writing and listening again and again. All the time what? Panchadasi, Panchadasi, Panchadasi. All the time. அதே சிந்தனம் இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தா तद्वत् मुमुक्षया स्वे अद्वैत आत्मा विषये श्रद्धाध्यात्. This person is subtler than laukika person. This person is more refined than laukika. So subtle, subtler. Now we are going to subtlest. Who? Yogi. Yogi is more subtlest. Vidyaranya says, my dear Vedantic student, you must do hard work like yogi also. How yogi did? You need not live like a yogi, Vedika and Pamana, and don't mistake like that. Just as they show their commitment, dedication like that, you must have dedication, commitment to scriptural study. 208. चित्तैकाग्र्यं यथा योगी महायासेन साधयेत् अणिमादिप्रेप्सयैवं विविच्यास्वं मुमुक्षया. Vivichya swam mumukshaya is important for us. First line and second line, first half is not important for us. That is only drishtanta. Just as that yogic person sit in samadhi, working for mystic powers, yama niyama asana pranayama pratyahara dharana dhyana samadhi abhyasa, he is committed to, dedicated to having faith in that completely, doing abhyasa. How he does it? Maha ayasena, with so much effort. Maha ayasena yatha yogi animadi prepsaya chittaikagryam sadhayet. These mystic powers, anima, laghima, mahima, prapti, prakamya, ishitvam, vashitvam, all these ashtasiddhis, 8 mystic powers, just like that they will not come. One has to focus their mind. Chitta ekagrata is very, very important for that. Weeks, months, years, decades they have to practice that Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa. Afterwards they want to get these siddhis, they have to work so hard, maha ayasena. Daily asanas pannanum, daily pranayama pannanum. You have to follow yamaniyamas, ahimsa, satyam, asteyam, brahmacharyam, aparigraham. Then shama, all those things they have to follow. Santosha, Saucha, Swadhyaya, Ishvara Pranidhanam, Tapas, Brahmacharya, ellame 100% follow pannada. Maha ayasam. நமக்கு உட்கார்ந்து எழுந்துக்க முடியாது. மூச்சு பிராணாயாமம் பண்ணு 5 ரவுண்ட் சொன்னா 2 ரவுண்ட் பண்ணி சும்மா he has to do hours together pranayama. Without doing hours together pranayama, asana, mastery over body, mastery over mind, mastery over sense organs, siddhis cannot be acquired. So to acquire siddhis, how a yogi is putting an effort. Maha ayasena, not ordinary ayasa. Maha ayasa. Lot of strenuous practice every day. For what? Animadi. To know the mind, reading the mind of the people. Chinmayananda Swamiji says, it seems, this person, yogi, is sitting in samadhi, working to know the mind of the people. மாமியார் என்ன திங்க் பண்றான், இல்ல டாக்டர் எல்லாம் என்ன திங்க் பண்றான். சார் they want to know the other person's mind. எதுக்கு? உன்னோட மைண்டே உனக்கு தெரியாது. What thoughts you are getting, what type of thinking your mind, what vulnerable your mind. Why can't you master your mind? Why you want to know others' mind? If you want to know others' mind, you cannot stay even 1 minute. And the others' mind எல்லாமே அவர் சொல்றார் குப்பை தொட்டி. குப்பை தொட்டி, இட் இஸ் லைக் எ டஸ்ட்பின். அந்த டஸ்ட்பின்னான மைண்ட் போய் நீ அப்ப தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Some people are interested. How to read? Mind reading. Mind reading என்ன தெரியுமோ? Not book reading. Book reading போச்சு, mind reading. If anyone teaches, I will show you, I will teach you how to read mind of others. Mind reading. Whenever we wear this kashayam, people think we know the mind reading of others. எங்களோட மைண்ட் ரீடிங் பண்றதுக்கே கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. அதர் மைண்டிங் என்ன ரீட் பண்ணுவோம், எதுக்காக பண்ணணும்? We need not do any reading of others' minds. Why siddhis and all? People are working like that. How much shraddha is there? You work for Mahavakya like that. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, you work like that. Vivichyat swam mumukshaya. Mumukshaya swam vivichyat. Swam is dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Swam manna advaita atmanam. Vivichyat. Vivichidatu. Vivichi. Not English vichi. Vivichidatu 7U. One has to inquire. Prepsa means pra plus ipsa. Praptum ichchaya. Prepsa, taya, prepsaya. Chitta ekagram, very interesting word. Chitta ekagram, I would like to give that grammar students, those are interested in grammar, the chitta ekagram is a beautiful word, because this is the context I want to share. Aikagryam manaha, aikagryam, chittaikagryam is given. Chittaikagryam, here, ekagram manaha. Chitta means mind. Ekagram, in front of which mind there is only one thing. Aikagram manaha means, ekagram manaha means, in front of which mind there is only one thing. That is the English translation. Ekam agram yasya tatu aikagram. Or ekam plus ekam agram yasya tat ekagram. Then ekagrasya bhavaha aikagryam. Kasya aikagryam? Chittasya aikagryam. Shashti tatpurusha samasa. The beauty here you see, chit plus another takara. Chit plus another takara, chittam. This chit is called chetati iti chit. Chittam, how it has come na? Chit plus takara. Then it becomes chittam. Tapratyanta rupam, chittam. Chit is called atma and the takara is called upadhi, mind. then it becomes chittam. Chit கான்சியஸ்னஸ், ஒரிஜினல் கான்சியஸ்னஸ். அந்த ரெண்டாவது தக்காரம் வந்த உடனே என்னாச்சு, இந்த சித்தம் ஆயிடுது. சித்தம் என்ன? மைண்ட். So mind is that which has got sentiency because of chit, therefore it is called chittam. இந்த சித்தம்ல ரெண்டு இருக்கு. One is chit OC and that takara is RC. It becomes chittam. I hope you are enjoying. Okay, this is called chittam. Beautiful presentation of chittam. இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது சித்தம் என்ன. சித்தம் சித்தம் என்ன? சித் பிளஸ் takara, chittam. Chit is OC, takara is RC or mind. Becomes the chit is that which makes that takara sentient. Chit is that which makes that takara mind sentient. Therefore mind has got the name chittam. It's aikagryam, chittaikagryam. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் எப்படிப்பட்ட சித்த ஏகாகிரம் இருக்கு? அப்படிப்பட்ட சித்த ஏகாகிரம். You are all having சித்த ஏகாகிரதா? சுவாமி நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். நான் எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? நான் எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. அந்த கடவுளுக்கு தெரியும், உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங். எல்லாம் பாசிட்டிவா திங்க் பண்றேன். இல்லைன்னா இந்த கிராமர் நமக்கு எதுக்குன்னு சொல்லி நீங்க அங்க போயிட்டு ஏடிஎம் வேலை பண்றதா இல்லையா, பேங்க் வேலை பண்றது இல்லைன்னு போயிட்டு வரலாம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா 209. நீங்க அப்படி எல்லாம் போக மாட்டேன், எனக்கு தெரியும். ஜஸ்ட் ஜோக் சேக் ஐ அம் டெல்லிங். கௌஷலானி விவர்தந்தே தேஷாம் அப்யாஸ பாடவாத் யதா தத்வத் விவேகோஸ்யாம் தத்வத் விவேகோஸ்ய அப்யப்யாசாத் விஷதாயதே. How to split here na? Tadvat vivekah asya api abhyasat vishadayate. Okay, now he is combining all four of them: Pamara, Laukika, Vaidika, Yogi, all of them. Vidyaranya saying, you know how much commitment they have, how much practice they are doing to get their what? To sense pleasures. Kavya Nataka experts they want to become, and they want to go to Swarga, and they want to get mystic powers. How much they are working, how much practice they are doing. That much practice you have to do. All practices put together, that much effort you have to put on Mahavakya. Okay, you need not work for Samadhi, you need not work for Swarga, you need not work for Kavya Nataka Tarka, you need not work for sense pleasures, but work for Shastra study. Hard work. You have to study. Commitment to study first. Commitment to study of scriptures from a competent teacher. Commitment, committed to class. அப்படி சொன்னாலே சில பேர் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸுக்கு வர மாட்டான். என்ன சுவாமி சொல்லிட்டாரு கமிட்மெண்ட், எனக்கெல்லாம் முடியாது. என்ன ஆல்ரெடி ஐ ஹவ் கிவன் லாட் ஆஃப் மார்ஜின். ஓகே, யூ ஆர் ஹவுஸ் ஹோல்டர்ஸ், வென் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் யூ கேன் ஹாவ் சாய்ஸ் அண்ட் சொன்னான்னு சொல்லி அதை சொல்லி அப்படியே லீவ் எடுக்கக்கூடாது. இப்படி சொன்னா அப்படி கஷ்டம், அப்படி சொன்னா இப்படி கஷ்டம். எப்படியாவது வரணும் கிளாஸுக்கு இல்லையா? Who comes 360 days? Which student is coming? And Swami நான் தான் வந்துட்டு இருக்கேன் 360 days கிளாஸுக்கு. Okay, now look into the shloka. Tesham, Tesham means uparyukta Pamara Jananam, Laukikanam, Yoginam, like that you have to say all four of them. Tesham Abhyasa Patavat Patoho Bhavaha Patavam Tasmat Patavat. Patavam means what? Skill. Kaushalam means skill, Patavam means commitment, Dardhyata, developing lot of commitment. Patavat, Abhyasa Patavat, repeatedly how they became experts. Any science, any art, anything, you become an expert by just practicing. And the tea ஆத்துறது சொன்னான் இல்லையோ அது மாதிரி டீ ஆத்துறது என்ன தெரியுறது இல்லையோ, the person who changes the tea from one cup to another cup, horizontally changing, not vertically, horizontally changing without falling a drop on the ground. நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணின கப்பு எம்டியா இருக்கும். எப்படி என்ன கையிலான சப்பாத்தி பண்ணுவான், நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், பஜனை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So anything you can become expert. Even Tattvabodha, when you are studying first time, beginning, எப்படி கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, என்ன சுவாமினி கஷ்ட தத்துவபோதையே புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது, என்ன எல்லா டெக்னிக்கல் டேர்ம்ஸ். Now you are all experts in Tattvabodha. I hope so. Don't ask me what is Tattvabodha. So your Tattvabodha, you are all experts, because first time when you are studying it is so difficult. Afterwards it is so easy. Similarly, any abhyasa is very easy after long practice. After long practice, every day you put rasam, you become a rasam expert. நீங்க ரசம் போட்டா வீட்டுல 7 வீட்டுக்கு வாசனை போகும். அப்படியே நீங்க எங்க வீட்டுல ரசம் பண்றான்னு ஸ்மெல் தேடி வரணும். Who says? Puja Swamiji says, if the lady is cooking, not working, cooking, properly she is cooking, and அந்த அம்மா சமையல் பண்ணும் போது ரசம் வச்சா அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீட் ஃபுல்லா அந்த ஸ்மெல் வருமா. அப்படின்னா அந்த அம்மா ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பர்ட் இன் குக்கிங் அர்த்தமா. அப்படி என்ன இடத்துல அர்த்தம் புரியுறதா? இப்போ யாரும் இந்த மாதிரி வைக்கிறதே இல்லை இப்போ. ஏன்னா ஒர்க்கிங் குக்கிங் ஒன்னு will not gel. Working and cooking will not gel. The cooking is a real great art according to me. Okay, என்ன நான் குக் பண்றது இல்லை, அதுதான் சொல்றேன். Anyhow, because we all of us have tasted our parties cooking, mothers cooking, how nicely they used to cook. Because of commitment, dedication, regular practice. இப்போ நம்ம டிவியில பாக்குறோம் எல்லாமே, என்ன குக் டெய்லி வரும், என்னென்ன குக் பண்ணணும், எல்லாம் என்ன குக்கிங் தெரியுமா? பிரெட் வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, நம்ம பிரெட் அந்த பிரெட் வச்சு எதோ பண்ற, பிரெட் எதுக்கு, நீ ஏதாவது பண்ணுவான்னா பண்ணு, பிரெட் வச்சு. இந்த அம்மா கூட பிரெட் கொண்டு வந்து அது எப்போ பண்ணிட்டானோ என்னமோ, எப்பவுமே ஃப்ரெஷ்ன்னு இதை சொல்லுவான். அந்த பிரெட் கொண்டு வந்து இப்ப பிரெட் கல்ச்சரா போச்சு. இந்த பிரெட்ங்கிறது அந்த காலத்துல ஜுரம் வரந்தா, ஜுரம் வந்தா எப்பாவது பிரெட் வாங்கும். நாட் ஃபார் எவ்ரிடே. நோ இட் பிகம்ஸ் எவ்ரிடே பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் ஃபார் மெனி பீப்புள். சுவாமி உங்களுக்கு கூட கொடுக்கட்டுமா? அப்படியா போச்சு காலம், என்ன பண்றது? அபியாசாத் பை ரெகுலர் பிராக்டிஸ் யூ பிகம் எக்ஸ்பர்ட். A household, a woman, a homemaker is not supposed to say, I don't know how to cook this. Any item, traditional items, I don't know. If we say, it is insult only. Why we say, I don't know? I never tried to cook. My mother-in-law prepares nicely. My mother prepares nicely. What do you prepare? அதுக்குன்னு ஒரு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு தன்மை இருக்கணும், ஒரு கமிட்மெண்ட் இருக்கணும், அப்பதான் பண்ண முடியுமே தவிர. That's why I say sometimes somebody cooks when we eat, it is nice. When you cook it is very very difficult. It's not so easy. It's a great art. Why? An abhyasat. And the fifth example I am giving. அவர் 4 தான் கொடுத்திருக்காரு, நான் 5வது கொடுத்துட்டேன். குக்கிங். ஓகே, அவர் சொல்லல. கௌஷலானி விவர்த்தந்தே. ஸ்கில் இன்க்ரீசஸ் டே பை டே. யூ பிகம் ஏ ஸ்கில்ஃபுல் பர்சன், எக்ஸ்பர்ட். यथा तेषाम् अभ्यासात् पाठवात् कौशलानि विवर्धन्ते. For those people, they became skillful because of practice. तद्वत् विवेकः अस्य अपि. Tadvat vivekaha, if this person is having discrimination, vivekaha, asya api, for him also, the one who has got viveka, discrimination, abhyasat vishadayate. Vishadayate means this knowledge become very, very clear. Aham brahmasmi jnanam is very clear. Vishadayate. Asya api, for him also, for a mumukshu also. Vishadayate means spashtam bhavati ityartha. Next shloka 210, page 313. All examples over. Now we are coming to the topic. Vivincheta bhoktrutatvam jagradadishvasangata अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम् साक्षिण्यध्यवसीयते. What is the phalam of that abhyasa, regular practice, that patavam, that kaushalam? What am I going to get if I study regularly? If I am committed to homework and I am repeatedly listening, I am doing lot of Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam, what am I going to get? You get a lot of clarity. How you have to do that? How you have to become skilled? The technique he is giving, there are different prakriyas in our Shastra. To make the student to understand easily, different prakriyas are used. One of the prakriya is avasthatraya viveka. Kasya kamaya bhokta, you want to inquire into that bhokta. One is a fake bhokta, another is real bhokta, and the mixture, who is real, who is unreal, you want to understand clearly, you want to get clarity. May you do avasthatraya viveka. This avasthatraya viveka is the method given in Shastra, Chandogya Upanishad it is given. 8th chapter, Prajapati Vidya, it is given avasthatraya viveka. And Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, 2nd chapter, 4th chapter, it is given. Of course, in Mandukya Upanishad also, avasthatraya viveka was given. That is given here by Acharya. He is taking from Brihadaranyaka Swayam Jyoti Brahmanam. What is that avasthatraya viveka? Bhoktrutatvam vivinchata. Vivinchata is a present active participle. Which dhatu? Vivinchata. Vivinchan, vivinchanto, vivinchantah, vivinchata, tritiya ekavachanam. Vivinchata, one has to inquire into bhoktrutattvam. Bhoktrutattva means I the subject. Into that one has to inquire. Anvaya vyatirekaabhyam, by Anvaya vyatireka method. Avasthatraya viveka prakriya dwara Anvaya vyatirekaabhyam. Karane Tritiya, Anvaya Vyatirekaabhyam. By Anvaya and Vyatireka, co-presence and co-absence. Anvaya Vyatireka. Anvaya means non-variable. Vyatireka means variable. Another name is for Anvaya Vyatireka is Anuvritti and Vyavritti. Anvaya means Anuvritti, inherent, co-presence. Vyatireka means Vyavritti, co-absence. Variables and non-variables. Anvaya Vyatirekaabhyam Sakshini api adhyavasiyate. By doing this Anvaya Vyatireka method through Avasthatraya Viveka Prakriya Dwara, he ascertained Sakshi. Sakshi, he can ascertain. How now? The Atma Chaitanyam is non-variable. In waking state also, I, the witness consciousness, am aware of waking state. Mind is fully active in Jagrata Avastha. And in dream state also, mind is partially active. Through my vasanas, even though mind and buddhi, they are not active in dream, vasanas are active. So mind is partially active. There also I am the witnesser of my dream. And in sleep also I am the witnesser of sleep, where the mind is passive, neither active nor partially active, but totally passive. In waking state and dream state emotions, I am experiencing, I am the witnesser of all emotions in waking state and dream state. I am the witnesser of non-emotional mind in deep sleep state. I am the consciousness non-variable. In all variables, Jagrat, Swapna and Sushupti, waking state, dream state and sleep state. Each state is exclusive. Jagrat is different from Swapna, Swapna is different from Jagrat. Jagrat is different from sleep, sleep is different from Jagrat and Swapna. Swapna is different from sleep and Jagrat. So each state is, avastha is exclusive. They are called variables. But I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am invariable. Anvaya, I am inherent. But they are not inclusive. In one avastha, other avastha is not inclusive. Who is inclusive? I, the witness consciousness, I am inclusive. Therefore, I am real Bhokta, the witnesser, as though experience, as though observer, but I am not the Ahankara. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.